Bonjour everyone. Today I will talk about food in French. Let's begin. Chips. In French, chips are les chips. Les chips. Number 2. Sandwich. In French, sandwich is les sandwiches. Les sandwiches. Third, cheese. In French, cheese is les fromage. Les fromage. Fourth is biscuits. In French, biscuits are les biscuits. Les biscuits. 5. Cake. In French, cake is le gâteau. Le gâteau. 6 is pancake. In French, pancake is la crêpe. La crêpe. 7 is bread. In French, bread is le pain. Le pain. 8 is butter. In French, butter is le beurre. Le beurre. Number 9, chocolate bar. In French, chocolate is known as la barre de chocolat. La barre de chocolat. Merci for watching. French is fun. A bientôt.